Hi crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about this crochet stitch. It's called Rocking Stitch. It is very thick and durable. If you make it with a larger needle, it can be quite flowy because there are small elements of laciness to it. So with a larger hook, it will be nice and flowy fabric, probably suitable for a garment, but as it stands with a recommended hook size, it's pretty good for outerwear or like a blanket or something, and it's quite pretty. So this is what it looks like, and let's get into how you make it. So first of all, this is a 1-row repeat, and you're using single crochets and chains to make it. So first up, of course, make your slip knot and chain an even number of stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got even amount of stitches. Next thing you're going to do is insert your hook into a second chain from your hook. And you'll do single crochet 2 together. So you pull up a loop from the second chain from hook, and then you'll insert your hook into the third chain and pull up a loop and create single crochet 2 together. Next up, chain 1. Then across until you get to 1 stitch, 1 chain left, you will single crochet 3 together. Insert your hook into the stitch of the previous stitch. So the third chain from hook was the second stitch. Pull up a loop into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and into the next stitch. So you've got 3 single crochets and you complete them together. Chain 1, and once again you go into that last stitch of the previous stitch, pull up a loop, next stitch, pull up a loop, next stitch, pull up a loop. 3 single crochet together, chain 1, once again 3 single crochet together, starting with the last stitch of the previous stitch, single crochet 3 together, chain 1, and I've got 1 unworked chain. So I am going to end this row with single crochet 2 together. Chain 1 and turn your work. And this is the repeat of every single row. What you're going to do is, once again, single crochet 2 together. The first starts at that single crochet 2 together you did on the previous row, and then the next loop is in the chain space between single crochet 2 together and single crochet 3 together. When looking at your work, it can be a little difficult to see the space. I mean, you should, move the stitches apart, but also you can tell which is which because the single crochet 3 together, they're larger stitches at the top here, and the chains are a little smaller. You can see this one is smaller than the next one. So I want to go into that space, the single crochet or the chain space between the 2 stitches, and I'll complete single crochet 2 together, chain 1, go back into that chain space, pull up a loop, then you work the single crochet 3 together stitch, so that larger stitch that I was talking about, pull up a loop, and then that chain space once again, and you complete single crochet 3 together, chain 1, and you carry on in this fashion until you reach the length that you need. I, as always, will have written instructions as well as the chart and this video available on my website, woolandgather.com, and you can check out other patterns, but this one is called Rocking Stitch.